Finding roofing software under $100 a month is possible, but the lowest subscription is only a good deal if it includes the tools your company actually uses every day. By the end of this, you'll know which features matter most, how to compare software beyond the monthly price, and how to avoid paying for unnecessary upgrades later. Start with your priorities. A roofing business usually needs customer management, estimating, scheduling, job tracking, invoicing, and mobile access for crews in the field. If a low-cost platform covers those tasks, paying more for advanced features may not improve your daily workflow. Now look at pricing. Many roofing software providers offer multiple subscription tiers. The entry-level plan often includes core business tools, while advanced reporting, automation, or larger team support may require a higher-priced plan. Before comparing subscriptions, make a list of the features your business actually depends on. Next, think about ease of use. Software that takes weeks to learn can reduce productivity during the transition. A straightforward interface helps your office staff and field crews adopt the platform faster. Saving time every day can be more valuable than adding features you rarely touch. Now consider integrations. Many roofing businesses also use payment processors, accounting software, or customer communication tools. A platform that connects with the software you already use can reduce duplicate work and keep customer information organized. Another important factor is scalability. If you're running a small roofing company today, but expect to hire more crews in the future, choose software that allows you to upgrade without moving to an entirely different system. Switching platforms later often costs more than selecting a flexible option from the beginning. Don't overlook customer support. When scheduling issues or invoice problems happen during the workday, responsive support can save hours of downtime. Good support becomes part of the value you're paying for each month. One common mistake is buying software based entirely on the advertised monthly price. A lower subscription can become more expensive if you need paid add-ons or another application to handle missing features. The better comparison is the total cost of running your business with that software. To sum it up, the best roofing software under $100 a month should cover scheduling, customer management, estimating, invoicing, and mobile access without forcing you into unnecessary upgrades. Your next step is simple. List the 5 features your business cannot operate without, compare those against the entry-level plans you're considering, and calculate the complete monthly cost before signing up. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more roofing software comparisons, pricing breakdowns, and practical buying guides that help you choose the right tools for your business.